This is an invitation to the members of the High Road community who might want to come up to a really cool event in the Kootenays region of British Columbia. Horizons Unlimited is a travelers meeting, which is a combination between a conference and a motorcycle rally with amazing presenters, opportunities to ride, to learn off-road riding, take motorcycle first aid, and a whole bunch of other workshops. So Horizons Unlimited is in Nakusp, British Columbia, which is right in the center of the Kootenays. There are some epic roads, both asphalt and off-road, for anyone who hasn't been to that part of the province. It's a great way to spend the weekend. High Road is going to be participating as a vendor, and we'll be up there with an exciting new bike, and we're also going to have an opportunity to host speakers in a bit of a lounge space. High Road will also be supporting an evening social area, so anybody that wants to hang out after the talks end at the end of the day can pull up a chair and sit around the fire and have a chat. If you're at a stage in your riding career where you want to do more than a day ride, if you want to get out and motorcycle camp, if you want to go and do cross-country or multinational tours, or even take a trip around the world, Horizons Unlimited is the kind of place where you can meet people who've actually done it. If you're interested in joining us, go to horizonsunlimited.com and sign up for the CanWest event in Nakusp, British Columbia, July 10th to 13th. We hope to see you there.